All right, so we have our multi-plug outlet extender with USB ports. So this is going to handle 6 plugs, and it's going to handle 2 USB ports and 2 USB C ports. See those there? So this one here is a 20-watt charging port, so it's going to charge a lot faster. This also is going to come with a screw. So if you wanted to have this permanently attached to your outlet, so you don't have to worry about plugs pulling it out of the wall, you could use this extra long screw they're going to give you for that, which is nice. But you don't need to. If you're going to move this around, if you just want to put it into the plug and not mess with that, you're not going to have a problem doing that. So this one is the new one. So it has a touch sensor here for your light. So it's got a little night light right there. It's got 3 settings, which is nice. So you can have it pretty bright or dim it all the way down. I'm going to plug this in over in my office and show you what I'm switching out with this. It's going to clean my area up and make it a lot more productive and organized. So let's take you over and show you what we're doing. All right, so you can see what we're dealing with here under my desk. Got kind of a mess here. It's a tight space for my legs, so to get anything off the floor is going to be helpful. So let's get this plugged into the outlet here and show you what it looks like. This is our finished product. So we are much more organized. You can see we have all of our plugs in here. Still have plenty of room to plug in some other devices on the top. Nice cords, all organized, and very happy with this. I want to thank the company for sending this out so that we could show you what it looks like, demonstrate it, and it is really cool. Really happy with it.